Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to allow and how to prevent call management app to show banner notifications in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we need to scroll down a bit to notifications and quick settings menu. Then we need to tap the banner menu, and here we have our options. So first of all, we can disable all banner notifications or enable them all using the switch at the top. And here on the list of the apps, we are looking for the call management. Here it is. It's allowed now to show our banner notifications. We can disable them by tapping the switch or enable them by tapping it again. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.